There, look what I have.
Candy cane.
A candy cane. Merry Christmas. Want to take it out of the wrapper?
Is that good?
You can suck on it if you want. You don't have to crunch it all. Ooh.
Blair, what does it taste like?
Cookies.
Is it sweet?
They have white and purple.
No. What two colors are those?
Red, pink, white.
Good girl.
There probably is a little pink in there. Is that yummy? There's William's candy cane. Yummy.
He concentrates when he eats.
Yeah.
Is it crunchy?
Okay. Blair, can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas,
All right.
Who's gonna come on Christmas?
Jesus.
Well, right, Jesus is gonna be born. And who's gonna bring you presents?
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.